In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Voice Notebook LM. This is a quick way to guide the audio overview so it matches the style of voice and delivery you want, without changing your original notes. The key idea is that you will use the built-in instruction field to tell Notebooklm what kind of narration to generate. Start by opening your notebook. Make sure you are in the notebook that contains the sources or notes you want summarized. Once it is open, look for the Audio Overview area. This is where Notebooklm creates an audio-style summary based on your content. Next, find the pencil icon on the Audio Overview. Clicking this pencil icon opens the customization options, where you can give more specific instructions. This is useful when you want the audio to focus on a particular topic from your notes, use a certain language, or fit a specific time constraint. You can also adjust the length, such as short, default, or long, depending on how detailed you want the audio to be. In the same area, you can choose different formats, like Deep Dive for a more thorough explanation, or Critique if you want a more analytical take. Now move to the Instructions box. This is where you will type your voice preference clearly. For example, you can write something like, use a professional narrator voice, or you can be more specific, such as, use a calm, clear narrator voice with a neutral accent and a steady pace. If you want the delivery to sound more energetic, more formal, or more conversational, say that directly in the instructions. Clear, simple wording usually works best. Also, try to keep your voice request focused, so Notebooklm does not have to balance too many competing directions. After you finish customizing the settings and writing your voice preference, click Generate. If the Generate button is shown inside the pencil icon panel, use that one to apply your updated instructions. Notebooklm will then create a new audio overview based on your preferences. If the result is close but not perfect, you can reopen the pencil icon and refine the wording in the instructions box, then generate again. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.